my channel. So, if you're a business owner like me, whether you're actively seeing clients or focusing on selling products, you know how crucial it is to keep your content game strong. So, today I'm going to walk you through an easy step by step method to bulk create content using ChatGPT and Canva. Trust me, it'll save you loads of time and stress. So, ChatGPT is a very powerful tool that helps you generate content ideas, captions, and even scripts in a matter of seconds. So, for example, in this particular example, if you're a body sculptor or maybe a small business owner, think about what type of content resonates with your audience. Are they looking for educational tips, product highlights, or something motivational? So, in this example, I have ChatGPT open, and you can even start with a simple script like generate 5 Instagram post ideas about the benefits of body sculpting machines. Or let's say you're selling a product. You want ChatGPT to write you Pinterest pin ideas or descriptions for maybe a new product that you have. Or maybe you sell a digital product. A lot of people are in the digital product niche right now. You can ask ChatGPT to create you content on your digital product. But in this example, I'm going to have ChatGPT generate 50 content ideas for the benefits of body sculpting machines for at home use. So I'll go ahead and add in the caption here. In this prompt, put generate 50 compelling post ideas about the benefits of body sculpting machines. Do not include post numbers, as I plan to copy and paste these directly into Canva. Ensure the content is engaging and tailored to an audience interested in using body sculpting machines at home. So go ahead and press that enter button, and from here, it's going to generate all of these post ideas for us. Our posts ideas or our posts, we're going to just copy these. So some people like to copy, or they ask ChatGPT to give them a CSV file or an Excel file, and they upload it into into Canva. But for me, I'm just going to copy this. You can just right click copy, or you can do Command C or Control C depending on the device you use. I'm using a MacBook, and then from now we're going to go into Canva. Type in mobile video. I do this frequently, or YouTube Shorts, depending on what you want to do. If it's going to be for Reels, YouTube Shorts, maybe TikTok videos, you can just put mobile video. It normally works for all. So I'll tap on mobile video. Once I get to mobile video, I'm going to go ahead and select a blank one. If you want to select a template that they have here, you can definitely select a template. But for this example, we're just going to click create a blank one. So I'll go ahead and click on create blank. And then once we click on that create blank, from here, if you have your own videos that you want to upload yourself into Canva, you can. You'll just simply upload those. But in this example, I'm just going to go and look at the elements that they have available, and then that's what we're going to use for this particular video. Depending on whatever niche you're doing. If you're doing like maybe digital product or something like that, some people do like aesthetic laptops and one typing. For this example, because it's related to body sculpting, I'm going to do a small waist. So once I type in small waist, you'll see all the videos that they have available. I'm going to use this example. I'm going to drag it here. And then once I drag it, I'm going to click the 3 dots and select set video as background. And then just kind of change it up a bit so you can. All right, perfect. And so that's what you'll do when you find your image or video that you want to use. That's what you'll do. Of course, for these videos, I don't want my video to be this long, so I'll condense it down to like 10 seconds. Select text, and then I'm just going to do select subheading. Of course, we're going to make it a little bit larger because this is going to be for your, this is the text overlay for our image. I'm going to actually paste in the one of the prompts that we got from ChatGPT just so I can get an idea of how this is going to look up here over my image, the text. I'm also going to go back into elements, and I'm going to look for a rectangle shape. Let me use this. Yep, I'm going to use this because I want this to be like an overlay over the video. I'm sorry, for the text. I'm going to actually make this white. I'm going to add this text here. And you can make it larger if you want to make it bold, you can. Again, just use use your own description. Also, I'm going to do text again because I want to make sure that I always encourage to always put your handle. So whatever your handle is for your business. So for me, it's Yaya Body Sculpting. Obviously, it's not going to be that big. All right. And again, make sure you select or choose whichever font that you want to use for your example. So whatever you want to use, you can use that for your video. So we'll just use this. I'll make it larger. Actually, I'm going to make it like this. Okay. All right. And then even if you want to maybe make the background transparent a little bit, like the white transparent, you can as well. So we'll just use this as an example. Of course, you want to make it the way you choose to use it. Go to apps. So it's going to be on your left hand side. You can click on apps. And then you're going to, on the search, you're going to type in bulk create and enter. Once you click bulk create, you will see this option, bulk create. And then we're going to click on the button that says enter data manually. I like to clear in the table, and then I'll just put either ideas or quotes, whatever you want to put. And then you're going to paste in all of your prompts or your messages that you got from ChatGPT. And then from there, we're going to press done. Once we press done, you're going to click on the text that you already have. You're going to click on the three buttons that says, click the three buttons that doesn't say, but click the three buttons. And then you're going to see an option that says connect data or connect data, however way you want to say it. Click on your ideas or whatever the option that you selected. This page is going to populate. You're going to see generate 50 designs. You're going to click on that generate 50 designs, and then let's see what happens. So we have 50 designs. And of course, I know some people are like, oh, that really didn't take a long time. Yeah, of course it doesn't, but we're not gonna want the exact same images for every single one of our posts or our videos. We want to switch them up. So again, if you have your own videos, you can, or you can just find some images in Canva. Again, like I said, if you have your own images, you can upload your own images, or you can just go into elements. And so like this one that we recently used, what I like to do is find similar images to this. I'll click on the three dots on that image that I just used. It'll give you the description of that as well. So you can select this, a woman measuring her waist. You can copy that and you can paste that into the search elements, and you can find other images for this or something that's similar to that. So I'll put that in, and then once I paste that in, I'll see other videos that's very similar to this. So we have this one already. So now let's just say I want to use this example. I'll just click and drag it over, and then now you have this video. Let's want to do this one. Click and drag here. Now you have that video, right? And so you can just use whatever videos you want that's pertaining to your niche. Again, so like say if you're in the gym, or maybe you're a beauty, you're an esthetician, or maybe you do lashes. Whatever you want to do, you can type in that element or video. If you have your own video and that's all you're doing is dragging and dropping those images or videos into your, oh, sorry about that, dragging and dropping those videos into your designs, and then you'll have those images there. So from that point, once you complete all of your images, I always encourage you can either, depending on what you're trying to do, if you're going to put them on TikTok, if you're going to put them on YouTube Shorts, or if you're going to put them on Pinterest, wherever you decide to use them, you can either download them or you can post them manually if you're using a particular tool that you choose to use. So that's pretty much it, and that's just how you will bulk create all of those images into Canva just using ChatGPT. So content with ChatGPT and Canva is super simple and efficient. So whether you're promoting your body sculpting business, showcasing your new product, or just trying to keep your brand visible, this method will keep your content looking professional and polished. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below with any questions or content ideas you'd like me to cover next time.